Today we're taking a virtual trip to Dakar, Senegal to explore a truly monumental landmark, the African Renaissance Monument. This colossal bronze statue, towering over 160 feet tall, is not just a piece of art, it's a symbol of pride, resilience, and hope for the African continent. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating story behind this iconic landmark. The brainchild of former Senegalese President Abdoulaye Wade, the African Renaissance Monument was conceived as a celebration of Africa's rich history and culture and a beacon of optimism for its future. Wade envisioned a statue that would embody the continent's rebirth, a testament to its strength and potential after centuries of colonialism and struggle. The monument sits atop one of the twin hills known as the Collines des Mamelles, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. This strategic location symbolizes Africa's connection to the world and its unwavering spirit in the face of adversity.
The height of the monument is 52 meters. Yeah, and it was a project of the third president, Abdoulaye Wade. So they start to build it in 2002, and it finished it at 2010. It inaugurated the 3 April 2010. And they use copper and bronze to build it. And the architecture also, it is a Senegalese, the architecture.
Okay.
Yeah. Pierre Goudiaby Atepa. Yeah. But it was a company, a North Korean company that would build it. Yeah.
The first time I came here, it was getting we think that it will fall.
It's massive.
Yes, it's
so big. I've been watching this on Instagram. So
Yeah.
It's so good to be here.
Construction began in 2006 and took 4 years to complete. The massive bronze structure, depicting a man, woman, and child emerging from the earth, was a logistical feat, requiring the expertise of North Korean engineers and Senegalese architects. The figures themselves are open to interpretation, sparking conversations about family, unity, and the continent's diverse ethnicities.
You see like the red spot, this is where we are right now. And what you were explaining is like what it represents, the statue is like the ascension from slavery coming out of the stone into like basically like a freedom. But also is that this is the second tallest statue in the world. The first one is in India, the second one is this one, the third one is the Statue of Liberty in New York, and the fourth one is Rio de Janeiro, you know, like the Jesus. What else did you say? Yeah. So right now this is made in cuivre. I don't know what is cuivre, but basically this is copper. And basically what happened is this statue is of the 16th century lifespan, and within here this is going to become grown like a Statue of Liberty.
The baby is pointing for hope, and the mother is pointing for the roots, for the root of the continent. And the dad is the strength of the family. And the stone, the stone where they're coming from, it means that they're coming out of the slavery.
Today, the African Renaissance Monument is a popular tourist destination in Senegal, offering breathtaking views of Dakar and the Atlantic Ocean. Visitors can climb to the top of the statue and learn more about its history and significance through interactive exhibits.
Probably before that.
The African Renaissance Monument is just over an hour's drive from Blaise-Diagne International Airport, which is located in Indias, Senegal. Senegal is home to many other beautiful attractions like Gorée Island, Ngor Surf Camp, Sina Saloum, Bandia Park, Fathala Wildlife Reserve, amongst many others. The African Renaissance Monument is more than just a statue. It's a statement, a declaration of hope, and a reminder of the incredible potential that lies within the African continent. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the awe-inspiring African Renaissance Monument. If you ever find yourself in Dakar, I highly recommend making the climb to the top of the Collines des Mamelles for a breathtaking view and a chance to experience this iconic symbol of African pride firsthand. If you want to visit the monument and other wonderful attractions in Senegal and the rest of West Africa, we offer regular tours there. Visit Softlandings.Travel or check out our social media pages for details of our next tours. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the African Renaissance Monument. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing travel content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world.